Common shipping and receiving mistakes. Shipping and receiving mistakes can be costly and time-consuming. Here are some shipping and receiving mistakes to watch out for. Wrong shipping address. Double check before the shipping that the recipient's information is accurate. Underestimating shipping weight. This can lead to delays, added shipping fees, and potential damage to the package if it's overloaded. Not using appropriate packaging. Unprotected items shipped in a box may be damaged during transit and require costly repairs or replacements. Ignoring shipping regulations. Different shipping services may have different rules and regulations to adhere to. Make sure you're shipping items in accordance with all applicable laws. Forgetting to label packages correctly. Remember to put an address or shipping instructions on the package can lead to delays or, worse, lost packages. Dangerous goods shipping. Only try shipping hazardous goods with proper packaging and labeling. It could lead to serious consequences. Appropriate storage areas. Make sure shipping and receiving areas are organized and clean so your goods are safe from damage or theft. The warehouse environment must be suitable for the shipping and safekeeping of goods.